Hi, my name is Gavin Yap. I'm an actor, writer, and filmmaker, and in this episode we're going to take a look at the Pro Bokeh feature on the HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro. The Pro Bokeh feature is basically being able to adjust your aperture so you can blur out the background and draw focus to your main character or subject. This is a really handy feature to use if your character is going through something and you want to draw attention to that. How to shoot Pro Bokeh on a HUAWEI smartphone. First, go to the camera, and then after that, go to the aperture mode. You can also go to Pro mode to achieve the effect. And after that, Pro Bokeh is activated. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the watermark. This feature is a great way to blur out everything else and intensify the focus on what your main characters may be going through. So if this is a seminal moment in your story and you have two people going out on a first date, this feature enables you to just blur out everything else, to really highlight the emotions that your two main characters are experiencing in that scene. But ultimately, it's up to you as a storyteller to chart your character's journey so you know when best to utilize such a feature.